Hello over there at Sunset Tree Services. My name is Calvin Burkhart and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, a digital marketing agency. I happen to be doing some research in you guys' area and I figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to give you guys 3 tips on how you guys can beat out your competition online. I don't want to waste your time and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business online, give me a call and we can chat. If not, feel free to take these tips that I've given you and use them for yourselves. All I ask is some feedback on this video. So let's go ahead and get into it. 3 things that I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. The first thing being content. That's anything that you can see that's highlighted on your front page, including these images, what the images are saved as, and also what's behind the images are included in content. And typically you'd like to see about 1,500 words of content right on the front page to give enough unique, authoritative information about what services that you guys offer, and also be able to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search and try to find a business that offers your services. So that's tip number 1, just making sure that you guys have more unique, relevant content with enough keywords and key terms that you guys are trying to be found for, so that you guys can rank high in the search engine. Second thing I'm going to go over with you is citations, and that has a lot to do with this map section. So I did a Google search imitating a Android phone, and anytime you do a Google search, you're going to see ads at the top. So these are just people that are paying to be on the top of the search. These don't always work out well, especially nowadays with everybody using the ad blockers. If they are using the ad blocker, they're not even going to see this. Also, there's a large group of people that simply don't click on the ads. Maybe they had a bad experience with ads in the past, but ads are hit or miss. So this map section is really what I wanted to talk about, and that has a lot to do with citations. So you might be asking yourself, what is a citation and how do I get those? Well, a citation is simply just your business's name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. And so what a directory is, to give you an example, would be something like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp or CityStar, any of those websites that are out there that give businesses an opportunity to list their business and their services in there, giving another avenue for people to reach you. So that's tip number 2. If you guys want to beat out all your competition here in this map section, you want to make sure that you are at least listed in all the directories that your competition is listed in, but you don't want to just stop there. To truly beat them out, you want to make sure that you're adding more than what your competition has, so that way you beat them out. So that's the second thing I wanted to cover, was citations, having to do with this map section. And the third thing has to do with this organic section underneath the maps, and this has a lot to do with backlinks. And so when you look at the internet, all it is a bunch of different websites that are linking back and forth to one another. And so not all backlinks are created equal. You want to make sure that you're getting links from other websites that are relevant to the services that you provide in the industry that you're in. And so looking at some of your competition, Gray Tree Experts, for example, I can see that they're listed in 25 referring domains, giving them 51 backlinks. In return, they're getting found for 100 keywords, bringing them 91 organic users to their website each month. Looking at you guys, I can see that you guys have 28 referring domains, bringing you 180 backlinks, so you guys are definitely beating them out there. Have 147 keywords that you're getting found for, bringing you 92 organic visitors each month. So if you want to try to capture some of the traffic that your competition is getting, you want to make sure that you're going after the same type of links that your competition has. But just like citations, you don't want to stop there. You want to make sure that you get what they have, and then you want to get more, so that way you can beat out your competition and start stealing some of this traffic from them. So that's it, guys. That's all I really had for you today. Hope you liked the tips that I've given you, and can see that the services that I offer can bring a lot of value to your business if that's something that you're interested in doing. So if you'd like to know more about how Mr. and Mrs. Leeds can help you grow, please reach back out to me and we can chat. Or if you just like to take these tips and use them for yourself, that's okay too. If you would, I would just appreciate some feedback on the video, if you would, and let me know how I did. Thanks again, and you have a great day.